Hello, I am Jahid. I am a student and also a YouTuber. I live at Assam in India. I love to make videos in regional language and also interested in videography. It's been 2 years going on that I have created this YouTube channel Jahid Creations. If you like important information or you need information, then please join with me on YouTube named Jahid Creations. Yes guys, Jahid Creations is waiting for you. Now let's talk about this channel name Jahid Creations. Yes, I have some plans, but here I will not say anything right now. Only I want to say that this channel will be different, interesting and joyful and absolutely something new. It's 100% sure. Yes guys, subscribe Jahid Creations and hit the bell icon and share, like every video and stay with us. Share with your friends. We need to build a strong family and it's your responsibility. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you guys. Goodbye.